Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, this is our system test with the Simplex 4100U panel. I still have a whole bunch of troubles on it because I haven't gotten it programmed yet, but I'm working on that. We have cardboard here until I can get a second bay, which I'll hopefully be getting soon. Batteries inside of it like normal. There's nothing really different inside. Now, this was not here in the previous video you guys saw of like the short clip of me testing it. I actually have a pull station here. Simplex 499-9004 addressable pull station with the light. Going up from that, we have a Simplex True Alarm Smoke Detector, a Simplex True Alert Remote Strobe, and a Simplex True Alert Horn Strobe. Now you may be wondering why it's just so low compared to those other devices for the 3030. Well, it's because there is a beam detector above it and I did not feel like moving that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. And I did forget to say I am joined by...
That's your team.
Yes. Alright, we've reset the pull station. I'm not going to test the smoke in this video, just because I don't want to. Alright, so we can go ahead and reset that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Probably some more videos of like tying this into the 3030 and all that stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.